Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will format a disk using command prompt. Let's start. Go to the bottom. On the taskbar, you will see File Explorer. Open. On your left hand side, you will see this PC. This will show you all the disks in your computer. We are working with this. It's a memory card. Process is same, either you have a flash drive, SSD, hard drive, any kind of drive. Okay, we open, let's see. You need to format the disk in drive before you can use it. Okay, so close this one, press the Windows button, type command prompt will come up here. Run as administrator. A message will pop up. Allow this app to make changes to your device. Press yes. Make it full screen. You will see it's not going. Okay. Type the command disk part. Disk part. Okay. Now we have two different commands. I will show you. I will put both so you can understand it. List volume. It will show all the volumes in your computer. Okay. Now we will type the other command that we will use. List disk. It will show you the number of disks in your computer. Let me see if it will be good. Okay. Now you can see the difference. On one disk, volumes could be more, particularly when you create C drive and install the Windows, they have more volumes. Okay. So we will take this, select disk, and the disk that we are working is this one, disk 2, and we can verify it. Okay, here it says raw. Okay, so it is this one, the last volume. Here it is volume 4, but we are going through the disks, so we will choose disk 2. We have to be very careful because their disk 1, it is actually the disk C, and the C drive, it is also 119 gigabytes, and the disk that we are working, it is the same size. So we have to be very careful. We have to verify it is the last one, and then we see this is the one, right one, that we have to work. So type select disk 2. Next command, we will clean this disk. Type clean and enter. Next, create primary partition. So the command is create part pri. Enter. Now we have to make this partition active. So type active. Next, we have to format this partition that we have created. Format, type format fs equal. So now we have to choose what type of format we want. If you are using it on a Windows computer only, it is NTFS. if you are using it on multiple newer devices, your phones, uh, MacBooks, computers, laptops, then exFAT. And if you are using it on old cameras and all other devices, still they support FAT32. Okay, so in this format, here we will use exFAT. Now we give the label of this drive equal my memory. Okay, and we have to choose what kind of format we do. Either we want full format or quick format. If we are going to quick format, just type quick. Otherwise, just go back. After this, press enter. In this case, I am doing quick. It will be done easily and fast. Press enter and it is done. Now we have to assign the letter. If we see the previous record, okay, before this card has that we are working on, it has E, letter E. Now we will assign a different letter, so you will see how to do. We will assign letter equal, I will say K. Now if we want to see, it is done, everything is done. We will see list volumes again. Now you will see volume 4 is now the letter K, my memory, exFAT, removal. Before this it was raw. I can show you, you can go back a little bit and see it. Before this it was this, it was E, raw, and this one. Okay. Now it is this one. And you can close this command prompt directly. If you want it exit, you can press exit and enter. Okay, you get out from the disk part. You can close it. Now if we open the File Explorer, go to the taskbar and open the File Explorer. Select this PC on your left hand side, you will see it, this PC. Now you have the memory card and it is formatted, and if you open it, you can open it and you can use it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.